Welcome to the video section about create model classes. In this section, you will learn how to create Java model classes that map to the tables in database using Hibernate and JPA application programming interfaces. You will learn some fundamentals about JPA, Java Persistent API, and Hibernate framework. Then I will show you how to create a model class manually using JPA annotations and test it with a small program. And for the rest of the model classes, you will learn how to use Hibernate reverse engineering tool for generating the code automatically. The model classes we are going to create in this section are users category, book, customer review, book order, and other detail. These classes correspond to the 7 tables in the database. Let's understand about the Java Persistent API or JPA. You know, JPA is a Java API specification for relational data management in application using Java SE and Java EE. JPA defines a standard way for simplifying database programming for developers, reduce development time and increase productivity. As of now, the latest version of JPA specification is 2.2. However, in this project, we use JPA version 2.1.